Hi there, thank you for visiting the boiler page. If you are in Maple Ridge and you are looking to install or replace an existing boiler, then you're on the right page. Here you'll find lots of information regarding boilers and how we can help for your job. So boilers are hot water heating devices, so they provide hot water to the house to heat it, normally through baseboards, radiators or in-floor heating. The best thing to do is have us out for a free, no obligation in-home quote. So we'll come in free of charge under no obligation and run over all of your options and provide you with a nice free quote. Nice and easy. So give us a call, email us, visit our Contact Us page, or you can chat with us on our online chat feature. We very much look forward to hearing from you.